Hello guys, welcome to SOF Mentor. I'm your teacher and today we will make 3D shape with the blend tool. So guys, let's start without wasting further time. Blend tool here, towards the tool bar you have blend tool. You can press W for the activation of this tool. Just draw any shape. For example, I'm drawing this by holding shift key. Guys, add gradient in this color. For example, I'm filling yellow color on the one side and the green color on the other side. You can change color. For example, any color you can take. Now make copy of this ball by holding Alt key and then click on the ball and drag towards right or left. This is another copy of this dot or ball, what you want to name this. Now press blend tool and guys, double click it, and the starting you will see here smooth color. Change smooth color to specified steps, and here you can give a value according to your desire. For example, 200, 400. So here I will give 500. Now press OK. These values you can change for the smoothness of blend. Okay guys, to make blend, you can see when I put blend tool on the left side ball. So here you are watching static with the blend sign. Here also static. So when you click any ball, for example, I click this ball and then to the next, then our signs are changed. Here static, here plus, here plus. So you can blend from static to plus. Okay guys, so click here and drag to the other bar. Your blend is happened. So next guys, to make any letter, 3D letter, if you just write here with type tool, just click over here, click in the type tool. For example, I type here T and I make it larger according to my desire, and I want to add this blend into my letter. So it will not happen guys. Let's see. Select both object and blend, and here blend options, replace the point is not active. So how it will active? Delete it. Just draw any shape. For example, draw with the help of your pencil. Okay, where is pencil? Here is pencil. Double click pencil and its fidelity, okay, make smooth, full smooth. Okay, and here draw a letter, any letter you want. For example, I draw here P. Guys, don't break, because if you will break, then another blend you will need for your shape. So I write P letter in single click. Just click on that, hold shift and click on your blend object, click object, and now you can see here that replace the pine is active. Click and your shape is ready.